Hi guys, my name is Jackson Ketchum. I'm from East Central High School. I'm a sophomore and I want to be your Southeastern District Representative. Goals and accomplishments are very important to have as a leader. That's why my main goal as someone with a genetic condition is to make sure that other disabled students are confident in themselves as leaders. Now, I feel like I can go on and on about how I feel like I'm a good leader, but instead of me just rambling on about myself, I feel like it was important to gather some of my fellow council members and ask them how they think I'm a good leader. And here's what they had to say.
I think Jackson Ketchum is a great leader because he fights for what is right.
High school, and I think Jackson Ketchum is a great leader because he's got amazing communication skills. He really knows how to tame a crowd, and there's never a dull moment when he's in the room.
Remember to vote for Jackson Ketchum for Southeastern District Representative because your votes gotta catch them all. Bye guys!